Hello stampers, hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to pop in here and give a quick video on just a really simple quick tip for you for cleaning up some of your inky tools and anything that has like a gummy like glue or tape runner on it that you didn't want it, like your scissor blades or your blocks. Sometimes if a stamp doesn't stick well, I'll take my tape runner and run it down my block and then my stamp sticks just fine. So now it leaves that sticky residue on there. And just a tip on what to do, I just have an old rag here and a big bottle of Germ-X hand sanitizer. I keep this in my craft area, and this is great for just cleaning up your blocks, like if you have a stamp party or you're just sharing your stamps with people. Just put some of that on your block and give it a scrub around, and it takes all that sticky stuff off. Plus, I'm sure it's sanitizing your block. So I just clean that up, and your block comes out like new. So that is that. And then still for your blades, for your scissors, just put some on your rag and use it to get that gunky stuff off of your scissor blades. It just breaks that glue down, which is really nice. So there's the scissors. And then your ink pads, when you use your blending brushes, you end up with your ink all over your pad. So it cleans that up. Let's get a little on the pad here. And just cleans up that case really nice. And you don't have to worry about it getting all of your hands. So there's your case, all nice and clean. Oh, one thing, this will take the ink off of the back of your ink pad, like the writing. So if you want to know the writing on your pad, be careful, don't take that off there, because it will take the ink off of it. I hope you enjoyed this tip and that it's helpful. Take care. Doodles.